Hello everyone, welcome to Dongtai. Today we will show you our caterpillar pencil, pencil injector. This type of injector we have a lot of stock. You can buy in bulk. This model is 4W7018. We have 235 piezas in stock, and this is 4W7019, and we have 104 pieces in stock. At the same time, we also supply these models. You can see it's N7005 and 4W7015 and the other, and these models all in stock. So many. And we have different product package, such as this and cut and others. We can offer a nice price for these products. Welcome to buy. Okay, thanks for watching.